Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another car stands video. Today I have for you Adro G82 M4 competition. All right, 4K. Now guys, before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support on the car channel. We're almost to 800 subscribers. Let's hit and then let's pass it, okay? You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. Happy 2024. Let's get right into it. You know, when these things first came out, I hated the front. The front bumpers, I hated them. I was like, bro, this shit look disgusting. It looks weird. But over time, as people started to like modify them, I was like, okay. And you know, as the sport editions came out, I was like, okay, they look tough. They look really tough. Like this shit looks menacing in the streets, bro. Especially looking like that. That's just menacing, bro. And the BMWs, yo, they have a pickup. They have a pickup. I knew a guy that had a M4 actually, and he bought it for 40 grand. Well, not cash, but obviously, you know. And that's when the M4s, like not this model, but the other models, were hot. Man, he saved up money. He dropped 10 grand on it as a down payment, and he bought an M4. It was black on black. I got inside of the M4. He pushed it. Yo, I was in the back seat like this, like. That car like flew me back. I was like, oh shit. He was like, yeah, bro, this thing has a kick, so you gotta hold on tight. Yo, I can only imagine. I can only imagine this M4. Sheesh. That's it. Damn, I kind of wanted to see more of it. Okay, wow, guys, wow. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I guess I'll see you on the next video. All right, peace.